Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Jamaican reggae star Capleton's bail has been extended until July 3. The artist, who is facing a rape charge, appeared in the Kingston and St Andrew Parish Court and had his bail extended. The 51-year-old was arrested and charged on May 11. Capleton allegedly had forced sexual intercourse with a female hairdresser who he had hired to groom his hair at a hotel in Kingston. Reggae artist Protege is well underway on his US-European tour. He is slated to perform at this year's staging of the 25th Sierra Nevada World Music Festival. The festival is scheduled to take place from Friday, June 22 to Sunday, June 24 in Boonville, California. The reggae singer has also dropped visuals for the single Bout Noon from his anticipated album A Matter of Time. Protege's fourth studio album A Matter of Time will be released globally on June 29 and on vinyl on August 3. Fans can pre-order the LP now on protege.com. And also, happy birthday, Protege! Now in news overseas, rapper Drake has revealed that his forthcoming album Scorpion will be released on June 29. Meanwhile, yesterday Drake released the visuals for his latest single, I'm Upset. The music video depicts Drake returning to his roots in the video, which finds him returning to the scene that put him on the map in the first place, the TV show Degrassi. The visual also features his Degrassi co-stars. The cast reunites to vibe with Drake. The clip is directed by Canadian music video director Karina Evans, who also directed the visuals for Nice for What and God's Plan. Scorpion is the follow-up album to Drake's 2016 LP Views, which has been certified 4 times platinum by the RIAA. Last year, Drizzy released what he dubbed as a playlist called More Life, which is also certified platinum and was one of the biggest selling projects last year. Later this summer, Drake will head out to tour with rap group Migos. The FIFA World Cup is finally here on television Jamaica. Russia treated viewers to a spectacular showcase of culture and entertainment with performances from English singer Robbie Williams alongside Ida Garifalina, a Russian soprano who won the 2013 opera competition. Robin, in an interview with The Guardian, says, quote, "I've done a lot in my career," and opening the FIFA World Cup to 80,000 football fans in the stadium and millions over the world is a boyhood dream. Here are some of the highlights.
I cannot get enough. I sit away. Does an angel contemplate my fate?
But do they know places where we go when we grow old?
'Cause I've been told that salvation.
And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.